Hello children, I am Alka and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my second video and in the previous video we had discussed about matter in our surroundings, which is first chapter of class 9 science. So in that video, firstly we discussed what is surrounding. So surrounding refers to everything that is around a particular person, place or thing. Means अगर आपके आसपास कोई भी चीज है, then it all makes up your surrounding. Now the second question comes, what do you mean by matter? So anything around us which has mass and occupies some space is called matter. यानी किसी भी चीज के पास अगर कुछ वजन है और वो अगर किसी जगह को घेरती है तो उस चीज को हम क्या बोलेंगे matter. Means like we can take an example of ourselves only. We have some mass for sure and we are also occupying some space, like wherever we are sitting or wherever we are standing we are occupying that particular space. So we are also an example of matter. Other examples of matter which I have given here are book, pen, water, air, table, etc. Now the other topic which we read was how classification of matter was done according to ancient Indian philosophers and modern day scientists. So the ancient Indian philosophers, they used to believe that everything was made up of five basic elements, and these five basic elements were called Panch Tattva. These Panch Tattva were air, earth, fire, sky and water. Let's take an example of a book. Then according to that time, the ancient Indian philosophers, they used to believe that that book would also was made up of these five elements only, like that book was made up of air, earth, fire, sky and water. Later what happened, some researches were carried out. So after few years, modern day scientists, they established that matter is made up of particles. And so the modern day scientists, they classified matter according to its physical properties and according to its chemical properties. So according to physical properties, they classified matter into solids, liquids and gases. And according to chemical properties, they classified matter into elements, mixtures and compounds. To know more what I am talking about, you can see the first video which I have made. And the topic for today is matter, nature of matter. So what do you mean by nature? Nature means property. Okay, property of matter. Like if you have a pen, then that pen has a specific color, right? इसकी जो body होगी वो किसी specific color की होगी. It is metallic or it is made up of plastic. It has a cap and it writes blue or black. So everything around you, it has some specific property, but इन सबके अंदर कुछ common भी होता है. They all have something in common. So all the matter, they have something in common. So what is that first property that all matter share in common is that every matter is made up of some particles. ठीक है, तो जो भी matter होता है हमारे आसपास, they all are made up of particles. To understand this, we can take an activity here. So we have to take here a beaker. So what is a beaker? Beaker is actually a glass container which is used generally in chemistry labs for making solutions. तो हमें एक beaker लेना है. We have to take a beaker and we'll put some water into it and add a crystal of potassium permanganate. अभी potassium permanganate क्या होता है? It is actually a solid of purple color. Now what we see, after some time the whole solution will turn purple. ठीक है, कि हमने इसको स्टिर नहीं किया, इसको हमने उसमें मिक्स नहीं किया पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट को, स्टिल वी फाइंड दैट द सॉल्यूशन हैज टर्न्ड पर्पल. ठीक है, एंड यू विल नो वेयर फाइंड द पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट क्रिस्टल रिमेन्ड. ठीक है, आप उसको देखोगे नहीं, कहीं पे आपको मिलेगा नहीं पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट क्रिस्टल, लेकिन आपको दिखेगा कि पूरा सोल्यूशन यानी जो पूरा वाटर है वो पर्पल हो गया है. सो व्हाई दिस लिक्विड हैज टर्न्ड पर्पल? देयर इज अ रीजन. एक्चुअली both potassium permanganate crystal and water are made up of tiny particles or pieces. ठीक है, तो जो potassium permanganate है और जो water है, they both are matter and both of them are made up of some tiny, it means small particles. So the particles of potassium permanganate are purple colored whereas the particles of water are colorless. हमें पता है कि पानी कैसा होता है, colorless होता है, और potassium permanganate as I told you it is a solid of purple color. ठीक है, तो जब पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट की क्रिस्टल्स क्या हो जाते हैं, हमें वाटर में ऐड करते हैं, तो उसके जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं दे स्प्रेड, वो बिल्कुल ऐसे स्प्रेड हो जाते हैं एंड दे मिक्स विद द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ वाटर. एंड वेयर डू दे मिक्स? दे मिक्स इन स्पेसेस प्रेजेंट बिटवीन द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ वाटर. यानी पानी के पार्टिकल्स के बीच में जो स्पेस होता है वहां पे जाके पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट के क्रिस्टल्स एडजस्ट हो जाते हैं. दैट इज व्हाई यू आर एबल टू सी दैट द होल वाटर हैज टर्न्ड पर्पल इन कलर. Okay, so that whole purple colored water, it has property of both potassium permanganate also and water also. तो वो liquid इसलिए है क्योंकि उसमें water है, और वो purple इसलिए है because it has potassium permanganate dissolved in it. Okay, so this is an example by which you can prove that every matter is made up of some particles. Now the second property which we are going to talk about is that these particles are really small. So these particles are really small. ये आपको पहले वाले एक्टिविटी से भी पता चल सकता है. Now you can see there that when that whole potassium permanganate it got mixed with water, then you could not differentiate कि कहाँ पे potassium permanganate के particles है और कहाँ पे water के particles है. You could not differentiate. ठीक है, आप कहीं पे अंतर नहीं बता सकते थे because you could not see them, you cannot see that those particles with your naked eyes. यानी आपको वो आपकी आंखों से नहीं दिख सकते हैं. And these particles are so small that you cannot see sometimes them with high power microscope also. Okay, and do you know that if you take a raindrop, then that raindrop is so small and it still has 10 to the power 21 particles in it. तो एक छोटी सी जो rain drop होती है उसमें 10 to the power 21 particles होते हैं. ठीक है, I hope you know what is the meaning of 10 to the power 21. Like I can give you an example. If 10 to the power is 10 to the power 2 can be written as 100. So now you can assume that 10 to the power 21, if you write 10 to the power 21, then how will you write it? After 1 you have to place 21 zeros. ठीक है, तो इतने सारे particles होते हैं हमारे एक rain drop में. तो इतने छोटे छोटे हमारे particles होते हैं. That is why we cannot see them with our naked eyes. For that you need some special device which is microscope. Okay, and some high power microscopes are needed for seeing those particles. Okay, now to understand this property more, we can take another activity. What we can do, we can take a beaker and we'll fill it with 100 ml water. अब इसमें हमें क्या करना है, we have to add 2-3 crystals of potassium permanganate again. अभी बहुत ही छोटे छोटे हमें crystals ले रही हैं, and when you dissolve all that crystal in water, you will find that the solution has turned purple. यानी जो पूरा liquid है वो purple हो जाता है. And from this liquid you have to take 10 ml of solution in a test tube. आपको टेस्ट ट्यूब में लेना है and you will pour this in a beaker which has 90 ml of water. तो जो सेकंड थर्ड वाला जो हमारा ये beaker है इसमें कितना है, 90 ml water है and you will add 10 ml of this solution in this 90 ml water. तो पूरा solution कितना हो जाएगा हमारा 100. And from this beaker you have to take about 10 ml of solution in a test tube again here, and you will add this 10 ml solution in a beaker which has 90 ml of water again. तो अब ये 10 ml plus 90 ml फिर से कितना बन गया 100 ml. And from here again you have to take 10 ml in this test tube and you will add this liquid in 90 ml water again, and again that solution will turn 100. ठीक है, तो अभी ये जो प्रोसेस है इसको आपको 7 to 8 टाइम्स करना है and you will find that every time the water is still colored. ठीक है, तो ये हमने crystals तो बहुत छोटे लिए थे. ठीक है, like we had taken really small crystals, but you see that even after repeating it for 9 to 10 times you see that the water was still colored. Okay, ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Because that small piece of potassium permanganate, it had number of particles in it. ठीक है, and these particles are so capable that they can make the large amount of water colorful. ठीक है, now the third property which we are going to discuss is that particles of matter have space between them. So अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा, what we have read that all matter is made up of particles, यानी कुछ कुछ pieces से मिलके बने होते हैं, and these pieces are or these particles are very small. We cannot see them with our naked eyes or we cannot see them with unaided eyes. We have to see them. If we want to see them, then we need some special high power microscope. Now the third property is particles of matter have spaces between them. ये जो particles होते हैं इनके बीच में कुछ space होता है. ये तो हमने पहले वाली एक्टिविटी में ही देख लिया था. जब पूरा solution हमारा पर्पल हो रहा था, it was happening because जो पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट के क्रिस्टल्स थे वो वाटर के पार्टिकल के बीच में जो स्पेस था वहां जाके एडजस्ट हो जा रहे थे. ठीक है, नाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वी कैन टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. We have to take a beaker and in that beaker we have to add some amount of water and we will mark that level of water. ठीक है, हमें मार्क कर लेना कि कहाँ तक उसमें पानी प्रेजेंट है and in that water we have to add about 50 like you can add 2 tablespoons of salt or sugar in it. ठीक है, उसको हमें डिसॉल्व कर लेंगे. ठीक है, with the help of a stirrer. एंड जब इसको डिसॉल्व करेंगे देन वी विल फाइंड दैट नो वेयर द शुगर और द सॉल्ट इज प्रेजेंट. ठीक है, वहां पे कहीं पे भी आपको शुगर या सॉल्ट नहीं दिखेगा, बट इफ यू टेस्ट इट देन यू विल फाइंड दैट द सॉल्यूशन इज स्वीट. ठीक है, अगर आपने इसमें शुगर डिसॉल्व किया होगा तो आपको सोल्यूशन कैसा दिखेगा, कैसा टेस्ट होगा, इट विल टेस्ट स्वीट. और अगर आपने इसमें सॉल्ट ऐड किया होगा तो उसका टेस्ट कैसा आएगा, सॉल्टी. ठीक, तो ना तो यहाँ पे आपको कहीं पे शुगर दिख रहा है लेकिन आपको क्या हो रहा है कि यहाँ पे जो पूरा सोल्यूशन है उसका टेस्ट आपको स्वीट लग रहा है, ठीक है। सो व्हाई इज इट हैपनिंग? बिकॉज द particles present in sugar they got dissolved in water. So what happened here? They got the particles of sugar, they mixed with the particles of water, where between the spaces which were present in the particles of water, ठीक है। So we can see here, when we dissolve sugar in water, the particles of sugar get in the spaces between the particles of water. Now the next property which we can understand is that particles of matter are continuously in motion. जो हमारे particles होते हैं ये matter के अंदर, ये हमारे हमेशा क्या करते रहते हैं? Move करते रहते हैं, okay? Now we can understand this with a very simple experiment, okay? Or we can do an activity at our home also. You must have seen, अगर आपकी mom पूजा के कमरे में अगरबत्ती जलाती हैं या धूप बत्ती जलाती है तो पूरे घर में उसकी स्मेल आती है, ठीक है। Why is it happening? Because the particles of that धूप बत्ती और अगरबत्ती they diffused in air, यानी जो mix हो गए air के साथ, that is why you could smell it everywhere in your home. Second experiment or second activity which you can do is that, आपने देखा होगा कि now what you can do here, you have to do one thing. You will take some water in a pot, and along the side of that container you have to add some drops of indigo, ठीक है। आपको सिर्फ साइड से 3-4 बूंदे डालनी है नील की, ठीक है। एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम you will see that the whole water has turned blue in color. पूरा जो water होता है हमारा blue बन जाता है। आपने वहां पे मिक्स नहीं किया, यू हैवंट मिक्स्ड इट, राइट, बट स्टिल द वाटर हैज टर्न ब्लू। वो ब्लू क्यों बन रहा है? क्योंकि जो हमारे इंडिगो यानी जो नील के पार्टिकल्स थे, दे गॉट मिक्स्ड विद द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ वाटर, ठीक है। तो पहले वाले एक्सपेरिमेंट में क्या था, हमने धूप बत्ती के पार्टिकल्स को कहा तो नहीं कि जाके मिक्स हो जाओ, आप जाके मिक्स हो जाओ एयर के साथ, बट दे गॉट मिक्स्ड विद द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ एयर ऑन देयर ओन। एंड इन दिस सेकंड एक्सपेरिमेंट आल्सो हैपेंड द सेम। हमने सिर्फ क्या किया था, थोड़े से ड्रॉप्स को, इंडिगो के ड्रॉप्स को साइड से ऐड किया था, ठीक है। लेकिन वो पूरा का पूरा सोल्यूशन खुद ही हमारा क्या हो गया, ब्लू हो गया, ठीक। तो हेयर आल्सो हैपेंड द सेम थिंग कि उसके पार्टिकल्स खुद से जाके वाटर के साथ मिक्स हो गए। So we can see here that even when you are not putting in much effort, तो उसके बाद भी वहां पे क्या हो गई, चीजें अपने आप से मिक्स हो गई। तो वो मिक्स इसलिए हुई क्योंकि दोनों चीजों के पार्टिकल्स, इंडिगो के पार्टिकल्स भी और वाटर के पार्टिकल्स भी क्या कर रहे थे, मूव कर रहे थे। और सिमिलरली इन द फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट आल्सो यू कुड सी कि एयर के पार्टिकल्स भी मिक्स कर रहे थे और हमारे धूप बत्ती के पार्टिकल्स भी मिक्स कर रहे। So these two simple experiments show us that the particles of matter are continuously in motion. And the last property is that particles of matter attract each other. So we know that matter, all the matter, they are made up of particles, and these particles are attracted to each other, okay. So the forces of attraction present between the particles of matter bind them together, okay. And this force of attraction is known as cohesion. Like what you have seen, if you take an example of a book or a pen, तो उसके जो particles हैं, उस pen के particles हैं, उनके बीच में जो force of attraction है, यानी जो force जो उन सभी particles को एक साथ जोड़े हुए है, that force is known as cohesion force, okay. And due to this cohesive force, the particles are attached to each other. अब solids में क्या होता है, solids के जो particles होते हैं, they are close to each other, they are very closely packed, एक बहुत ही closely packed होते हैं, इसीलिए उनके बीच का जो force होता है वो बहुत ज्यादा होता है। But in case of liquids, the particles are far away from each other, that is why the cohesive force or the force of cohesion is a little lesser as compared to solids. But in case of gas, the particles are really far from each other, so the force of attraction is also less in them. That is why if you want to move your hand on a wooden block, then you have to put lots of force. But if you want to move your hands inside a liquid, then you can do it easily. And if you move your hand in gas, then you can do it even easily. तो ये इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि गैस के केस में क्या है, आप इजीली हाथ उसमें घुमा पा रहे हो क्योंकि फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बहुत कम है। I hope this is clear to you. And if you liked my video, then please like it and subscribe to my channel and share.